Hello guys and welcome back to another amazing episode on DashCam channel. We prepared a compilation of all sorts of epicness caught on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight, grab your snacks and enjoy in this one. In this video we have a crazy Karen who forced her way in front of the camera on purpose and for no reason at all, but to make things even worse, she brake checked him, got out of his car and, well, see for yourselves.
Metal recycling truck ahead of us. Looks like the tarp is all busted and the metal's starting to come out the top. We're just hoping it doesn't let loose and go flying. Oh, there it goes.
Driver in front was not so sure whether to take the exit or not, and he couldn't decide until the last possible second. Driver in front of the camera was changing lanes without bothering to look at her side mirrors. And of course, the end result is something like this. She was even lucky that she didn't cause an accident. Check your mirrors, guys.
Stupid.
In this video, the camera had some really bad luck. He got cut off, not once, but twice in a similar manner by crazy drivers who simply do not care. This video is yet another proof that we have a lot of drivers who are really impatient in traffic, and those mistakes can come costly. You name it, we have it. All the bad things done by drivers in traffic are right here in this video. Camera put a compilation of crazy drivers who brake check others, change lanes without indicating or checking their side view mirrors. Please make sure to pay close attention at all these mistakes and try your best to learn out of them and avoid being like these drivers.
Tailgate much? Tailgate much? Whoop! What? Hey, what? What the hell? Cut him off. You're a moron. What if that was auto-fit? What are you doing? You're extra diving. Good. It's green. Why you stopped? Go. Go that way. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Jesus H. Ah! Masshole! Ah. Oh, you turned on red. Hold on. Yeah. You went right on red, and you're going right on red too. It's no turn on red. There's the sign over there. Do we have a cut off here? Yeah, I'd say so. Cut off. Tailgating, I guess, if he moved out of the way. There we go. Yeah. Went back to the left in case the camera didn't pick that up. Did you just stop? It's flashing red means stop, just like a stop sign. What the fuck, people? You know? Exit dive. Just cut off the truck. Hello, and next dive. Yes, it was. Toyo turd. Trucks prohibited from left 2 lanes. It says nothing about trailers. Oh, and there's a truck in the left 2 lanes. What do you know? What a coinkydink. Okay, yeah. There's a cut off. Cut off. Toyo turd. And slow rolled it. And slow rolled it. And slow rolled it. Hey, that was red. Fuck you. It's red. What? Mother idiots. Idiots. Yeah, oh, that was close. Are you exit diving? All panel systems, yes. Don't cut them off. Don't cut them off. Don't cut them off. You just cut them off. Come on. Yeah, go. Cut him off. Are you exit diving? Yes. Don't cut them off. Don't cut them off. Don't cut them off. Portsmouth quality flooring. someone had a vengeful girlfriend.
This is what happens when you disrespect the traffic lights. Everyone who has a driver's license is supposed to know that red means stop and there is no excuse for bad behavior.
Singkot mo gusto siya po.
What's going on here?
Tailgating other vehicles is really dangerous, guys, and that's something we will never advise you to do. Please, keep a safe distance between you and other vehicles, because you can never know what might happen on the road. A pedestrian might run out, or an animal, who knows?
Hey, Russell Skinner, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Skinner, thank you, thank you, thank you. Crazy. Those are the ones that get in an accident. Zigzagging between cars like that.
Do not approach a vehicle and start recording them,
Don't touch me. Now you're impeding my movement.
Wow.
You want to apologize for touching me, tough guy?
Speeding never brought anything good to any driver in traffic, and in this situation here you'll see why. Once again, the driver who was in a hurry eventually got caught up in a crash, and because of that, he was only further delayed. Unfortunately, another episode comes to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable out of all these fails. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. Make sure to leave a like, because we will really appreciate it. And while you're at it, please do subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.